Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So now we're going to go through lines 6 till 7. So starting from here. So before we start, we have to read Ta'awudh and then Basmala. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Okay, so continue from where we left off. So just the rule, remember, to get you to practice reading fluently, you have to read the entire box all in one go, without stopping in between. وَلَهُمْ. So because we're starting with the shadda, you can ignore the shadda, because it's in the beginning of the sentence. وَلَهُمْ. And now here, the ayn has to be pronounced. عَذَابٌ. And make sure you say the. Don't say as a z. عَذَابٌ. And here again, the. So the is one of our full mouth letters. Look over here. خُصَّ ضَغَطٍ قِذ. So the at the end. And remember, you have to memorize these full mouth letters. Kha, sad, dad, ghain, ta, qaf, dha. So عظيم, عذاب, عظيم. Okay, so that's one box, and then there's the end of the verse. Okay, now next verse. Next, over here, the nun, we have our ghunna rule. And you have to memorize the ghunna rule as well, which is, if a nun or a, so I'm supposed to say mim. If a nun or a mim has a shadda, you will do ghunna, which means a heavy sound from the nose for the duration of one alif, or you can call it two haraka. So وَمِنَ النَّاسِ. So وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَن يَقُولُ. And try and pronounce the q sound, the qaf. مَن يَقُولُ آمَنَّا بِاللَّهِ. And make sure you stretch the na. So here again, here there's a ghunna rule. So nun, if a nun or a mim, so here it's a nun, has a shadda, you will do ghunna, which means a heavy sound from the nose. آمَنَّا. So make sure you stretch the na and the the same duration, for the same amount. آمَنَّا بِاللَّهِ وَبِالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ. So wa, the ba will join to the lam over here. وَبِالْ yaw. Then this mim over here will join to this lam over here. Mil. وَبِالْيَوْمِ. Then this alif has a standing fatha, so it's actually a hamza with a standing fatha. آخِرِ. وَبِالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ. And next line. وَمَا هُمْ. وَمَا هُمْ بِمُؤْمِنِينَ. So remember the rule, when there's a waw and on top of it is a hamza, you ignore the waw. بِمُؤْمِنِينَ. وَمَا هُمْ بِمُؤْمِنِينَ. Okay, now I'll read the whole thing now. وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَن يَقُولُ آمَنَّا بِاللَّهِ وَبِالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ وَمَا هُمْ بِمُؤْمِنِينَ. Okay, so practice up till there.